Hey everybody, JoJo's here. I know. I have been gone for far too long, but I am back. I'm getting back on my YouTube, on my content, and all the things beauty, lifestyle, relationship, children, ministry, and of course, makeup. Don't forget it. But yeah, I have been gone for so long and I don't even know how this YouTube thing works, but I'm gonna give it a shot again. But life was life in relationships, children, business, and now I can add my new life with Christ and my makeup ministry. Yeah. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna just give you guys a quick recap and who I am and what I do and where I've been. So my name is JoJo. I'm not giving y'all my government name. My name is JoJo, okay? I am a mom, a makeup artist, an entrepreneur, and woman of faith. Like, come on, okay? Things have changed. I've recently just have given my life to Christ, and I felt like my makeup ministry, let's start right there. My makeup business wasn't getting me where I needed to do or where I needed to go. I was drained. I was just depleted. I was doing makeup, but I didn't know my reasons why I was doing it. Like, I thought I was just doing it to make everybody feel pretty, to look good, to, feel good about themselves. But in all actuality, I was pouring into them. So I have been going steady, strong with giving my life to Christ over the past year. So I don't drink no more. I don't have anything that wasn't... I'm gonna just say anything that didn't do right within me, I just gave it up. So my children, my business, school, my relationship with Christ, and that's it. So I'll get deeper into that as we go on. But I just felt like the transition that I had to make, I wasn't living my life right. I've had a lot of boundaries that I've put in place, challenges with relationships, abuse, and all the things that you probably would never even looked at me and seen. But I just know the new channel that I'm about to bring, it's gonna be beauty, tutorials, behind the scenes, my makeup, my ministry, just life updates, business tips, my children, so all the things of life. So if you're on a purpose of like the same way that I'm here to encourage you, uplift you, build you. Whether things have broken you, I just want to let you know, like, it won't break you for long, and it's okay. We all have our moments where we need somebody, a sisterhood, a safe space to go and talk to, where we feel like we belong, and this is what my channel will be. So welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel to anybody that you feel like will need the encouragement, the uplifting words, and I'm here. So let me know what you guys would like to see or even talk about. Drop it in the comments below and we'll go from there. I just can't wait to see all the encouraging and uplifting words. Oh, I'm so happy. All right.